However, here I will take the control designs. We have taken it, then I will embed the image over it. So there is the image. I will apply there, make the shapes, make it fixed. So that's the clipping mask we have generated there. Then I will take another control design to explore there. Similarly, I will embed the image on that to show you how to make the clipping mask. This will be helpful for the beginners to do that. So that's the clipping mask we have generated.